Welcome to my new series, Eating Out, where I'll be taking you to some of the best restaurants around the country. We will get to meet the head chef who is going to show us a special recipe, and also I will get to taste some of the most popular dishes of that restaurant. I'm going to start with one of my favorite places, Dishoom, which does amazing Indian street food. So come on in. I am in the kitchen with the head chef, Naved. Thank you so much for allowing us into your kitchen.
It's a pleasure to have you guys.
Thank you. What are you making for us today?
We're making a chicken biryani. It's actually a chicken biryani. It's
Okay.
a kachi chicken biryani. But we pay homage to the very famous Britannia Cafe Pulao. Very pulao.
In Mumbai.
In Mumbai.
Yeah.
We go there every now and then. And we ask them so many times to share the recipe. But they're very secretive
Yes,
about
they
it.
are, yeah.
So we decided to come up with our own recipe of the Berry Britannia.
Lovely.
What we will do now, we just mix it nicely so that the chicken pieces are nicely coated with the masala. You use the oil to make the nice mixture of the yogurt with all the spices we've added. Spices is what makes any dish what it is. And if they're not fresh or they're not being taken care of, then there's a problem. Now, so we've done the first marination. I'll wash my hands now, and then we will start chopping some fresh herbs, which will go in it now. We have the ginger juliens, they can go straight in. With these things, to be honest, I think you can be really generous. I love ginger in a dish, and I think I'm adding about 1.5 inch piece of ginger, which is julienne, but you can double this quantity easily. We have some green chilies again. If you want it nice and spicy, you can be generous with this, but these are spicy chilies. So again, if you don't want... Yeah, they're going in whole.
Wow.
So we'll put about 10 chilies in it. That's pretty much it. Let's use a generous bunch of mint. You smell it now. It's amazing. Same with coriander. You don't need to chop it fine as well, so you can be a rough chop which can go in the marination. This will all get cooked eventually, but leaving a nice aroma. And then we'll add the remaining brown onions as well. Last but not the least, the lime. Doesn't do any harm if you add a lime more to this. Let's mix it one final time, and then we are ready with the marinade. We'll cook the rice now, and we'll keep the chicken rested for almost half an hour, 45 minutes before we start layering it with the rice.
So I have here a selection of some of the most popular dishes at Dishoom, and I obviously cannot eat all this alone. So I have a very good friend, Sidin, who's a journalist and an amazing author, who's going to help me
finish off all the food. Yes, essentially.
So this vada pav, as you might have already seen in my other videos, I'm a big fan of vada pav. I think it's, like you said, essential Mumbai eating. The first time I came to Dishoom, I was so impressed. And the main thing that impressed me was this vada pav, because it is really as authentic as you can get, isn't it? You could be right now sitting in Dadar station and eating this vada pav. It is absolutely as authentic as you can get. Yeah.
It's not a potato burger, it's it's a proper...
No, it is a proper, the chutney is right. Even the pav is quite Mumbai-like.
No, it is,
Yeah. We have keema pav, which is minced lamb with peas, and it's served with buttered buns.
The good thing is, you could, sometimes in Bombay, they just throw a handful of spices on top of the thing before serving it.
Yeah.
That can make it really hot. The oil can make it really heavy.
Yeah.
This is much more gentle on.
Yes, it's quite balanced, and I think just sitting here, the atmosphere is so good. I love how this is such a Irani cafe. Feel the furniture, it's like everything is so,
It's loud. No?
so
loud.
noisy.
Yeah, it's so loud.
I'm going to dig into some dal makhani. That is lovely. The flavors are spot on. Very delicate, not overpowering masalas or. Really
Sometimes
good.
it can get really tomatoey.
Yeah,
it's
but
nice,
it's
quite
really nice, yeah. We've got some bedmi puri here, which is stuffed with spiced lentils and it's served with a potato chickpea paneer curry. This is proper spicy.
And it's hot and it's dusty and there's stuff happening outside. But as long as you deep fry stuff, it's good for you, right? You know?
I go to India all the time and eat all the street food I can find. And actually, I know a lot of people think you can't eat the street food, but actually, if it's fried, eat it. Oh, I want the mango. You can have this.
Mandarin drink.
Oh, you want to change the color here?
No, I love rosemary. Shh. I actually love it.
So this is their signature dish, which is a lamb curry. And it's very, very popular.
Again, it's very pan-Indian because Hyderabad is where you get really good nalli nihari, right? Where they cook it all day and it kind of, the meat just
Falls apart.
melts, it just falls apart.
Right, so I think you need to be careful first of all that there's steam building inside. So you don't open it in your face, obviously. So loosen the sides a little bit. This is enough for, I think, good family of about 20 people. So they can enjoy it.
20?
Yeah, I mean,
No, that's
you need to be.
more. If you're eating, maybe not.
There are 20 of me eating.
Well, there you go. Let's take it at the table.
This chicken biryani, it's amazing. The chicken is so moist and
Yes.
all the food has been amazing.
Amazing.
Absolutely amazing. I actually cannot choose one dish. I have to say biryani and the bedmi puri with this is mind blowing. Everything is amazing, but those are my two different. Which one's your?
The
pick?
biryani and the dal.
Oh, the dal. Oh, yeah, that's good as well. And thank you so much for sharing the recipe.
It's really a pleasure to have you.
Can I take the rest of the biryani home?
Well, you can.
No, not all of it. Half I'm taking. Yeah. But thank you for letting us into your kitchen. I've had a fantastic time. Thank you for joining me in this new series of Eating Out, and hope you will visit Dishoom soon if you have not done that already and taste this amazing food. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for coming, joining me to taste this, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. We need to finish this, so bye for now.